Okay, good evening and namaskar. And my name is Ashok Garlapati, and our fellow trustee, Mr. Jeetu Patel, is joining from Arizona, USA. And we welcome you all on behalf of J&A Bharat HSC Foundation. This meeting is being arranged at the request of our J&A editorial board chief, Mr. Madhu NC, and as well as advocate for the states of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh to listen to the students. Our motto of our foundation is giving back. So, we give back in the terms of the knowledge, in terms of financial support through the scholarships, and so many things. And today we are joining on the behest of our NCG to listen to the students. And our trustee, Mr. Jeetu Patel, he is also one of the, fond of students who are doing, coming up with the new initiatives. So before we hand over to NCG, Mr. Jeetu Patel, would you like to say a few words, sir?
Ashokji, thank you. I myself am a student. My grandfather taught me every morning during breakfast, what are we learning new today? And I'm 83-year-old, and each day I try to find something challenging and try to learn from it. And more I learn is from the current students. They are very sharp, very shrewd, and very aggressive. And that's what it's really all about. And we need in all nations to have vigor of the young students who can really lead and prosper. So with that, warm welcome to you all, and look forward to hearing with my very poor hearing. Uh, and God bless you all for what you do.
Thank you, Jit.
Yeah,
Your wishes are always, blessings are always required for the young generation. With that, we request NCG to please share about today's agenda and expectations from us today. NCG.
yeah. Thank you, Ashok and Dr. Patel, and thanks everyone to join here. Good evening to everyone. I see. The main motto of my of this, inviting to all people for this meeting is simple thing. See, if you take a student, they don't have much of awareness or experience with regard to industrial environment or something like that, especially in manufacturing sector or something, because everybody wants to go for software field and something like that. But if they don't have much of knowledge of what is going on in the industry, and one more thing, they should know what is the idea behind, or they should know what is the concept behind doing any project. Not only this, any project, they should have some basic knowledge of the project, right? They should have some experience for that. That's one of the reasons why I'm asking students to go to your industry. Recently, they visited our Usha International Balanagar, which is one of the leading manufacturers of this engine injection systems. They went there, they seen that one. Before that, they had some interaction with me about what is the incident, how this, why it is happening, what is the reason behind the incidences, what are the consequences which are going to be behind after that one. These kind of things we already interacted so many times. Then I told them to prepare one kind of web application where they can have more in-depth knowledge about that. And on third point is, see, they do a lot of projects inside the college, but no end users endorse them.
Correct.
If you do some project, you should endorse somebody who really uses the project. So that's one of the idea, because if you go from industry, they're from the academic side, they make some prototype, some project. Once they show to you people, they get more input from outside so that they can enhance the project further. And once they get endorsement from you people from industry, they get better opportunities. That is one of the basic thing. So that with a small introduction, I would like to introduce the people who are in the panel now. Mr. Rohan Tanga is there. He's a VTech CSA student. And Ms. Mariam is also she is from Bidar. And Mr. Shiva is from the Hyderabad again. And we have Mahati Shitoli, she is one of the student again from Bidar only. And we have one more gentleman, Mr. Rohan Kaur, Nidya, right? Nidya. She's also something we are only. So these guys have prepared some platform. Okay. One component of EHS, I can say, that is incident management. Okay. How to report, how to know, do they follow, who will review that one. These things are the prepared done. I would like to know, invite Mr. Rohan Panga to take forward. Let him
NCG,
introduce first of all.
NCG, before Rohan takes over, I would like to welcome Mr. Sheikh Makbul, our J&A Council Committee Chair for the website and social media. So,
Yeah, okay.
Makbulji, welcome. And these are all from our Andhra Pradesh and Telangana students of engineering. They are presenting their project today. So, you are welcome to give your suggestions with your wide experience in the field. Go
Thank
ahead.
you. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Yes. And I have the guest is there, Vishal Karan from Usha International also joined now.
Very good. Very good. Vishal Karan. Very nice. Yeah.
Vishal Karan.
Yeah, very good evening.
Your face.
Okay.
Because I see.
Sorry, I just reached home, so I'm joining a little later.
Hi.
Namaskar, Vishalji. Please welcome. And
thank you.
You are in which position, Vishalji, there in Usha?
Yeah, I'm heading the quality assurance and quality management systems over there. My current designation is Assistant Vice President in Usha International Limited, Hyderabad.
Excellent. On behalf of J&T,
my assistant working more than 15 years.
We welcome you for our foundation. Let's go ahead with Rohanji. We want to say. Yeah. Go ahead, Rohan.
Yes, sir.
Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
Can you share the PPT? Yes, sir. 1 second.
Yes, sir, please.
Sure, I'll share the screen.
Yeah. 1 second.
Is it visible?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Introduce yourself, Rohan.
Yes, sir. So, good evening, everyone. Myself, Rohan, and my team members are Mariam, Nida, Mahati, and Shiva. So, we are guided by our sir, Madhu sir. So, in this project, we developed an EHS incident management system website. So, what EHS?
Rohan, from which college you're all from, and which year of the engineering?
Sir, I'm from Amrita University in Coimbatore.
Okay.
So I recently finished my BTech.
Very good. Others?
Yes,
Go ahead. Yeah.
Yes, sir. So in this, the point of this website is to help organizations effectively manage workplace safety. So that is what our main goal is to making this project. So with this, we can basically enable users to log incidents, document injuries, investigate causes, assess environmental impacts, and implement corrective actions. So this website, it's basically a simple website where you can interact and fill the details which happened the incident. So coming to the next slide. Yeah. So usually companies face like a lot of problems in managing EHS incidents. So like such as reporting being done on paper and incomplete information and investigation or proper track of things. So this is what leads to very less information on recording incidents which happen in real life. So this is basically our problem statement. Now coming to next slide. Yeah. So basically our main goal of our project is to create a system that makes it easier to report and handle safety incidents. So we do this by improving documentation and investigation. So how do we do this? It's like tracking risks and actions in a proper way, keeping everything accessible easily. So to be more specific, come to the next slide. So here, what we do is we track injury data, including visuals, like where the person is harmed, and also we give supporting files for that. So to add more details, what we do is we enable investigation logging and root cause analysis, perform risk management using SOD method, and also assign and monitor corrective and preventive actions. So this is basically of our architecture of what we're doing in this project. So this is my part of introduction, what we did so far. So the continuation will be done by my teammate Nita. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
My name is Nida Fatima, and now I'm going to present you the technology stack from our PPT. So I'll be presenting the system we built for the EHS BWL project. And here we use Streamlit for the front end, which helped us create a simple and interactive web interface like pandas, UID, and data time. For storing data, we used Excel sheets. We also used Plotly to create interactive charts and graphs. And other helpful libraries were Pillow and UUID. And the whole project was deployed locally using Streamlit. All the code was managed using a GitHub repository. Can you move to the next slide, Madhi?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes, can
so
you
this is our system architecture. Our system has three main layers: front end, back end, and data storage. In the front end, Streamlit is used to log incidents, conduct investigations, and analyze data. The backend has the main logic written in Python and uses Plotly for visualizations like charts and heat maps. And data is stored in Excel files for incidents and impact analysis. Uploaded files are saved here in the separate folder. And some key components are incident management, root cause analysis using fishbone diagrams, risk assessment using SOD matrix, and corrective actions visual reporting. For security, we use a role-based login system, which reads a user access from an Excel sheet. Can you move to the third slide, Madhi?
Yes.
Now we are having this design and implementation. We define two roles, admin and employee. They log in using a role-based Excel sheet. The UI was designed with a sidebar in Streamlit. It includes forms and upload options. In incident management, users can create reports, track injuries, and follow investigations and closures. We used unique IDs for each incident and allow users to upload files like photos, reports, etc. And in aspect and impact analysis, we added scorecards, allowed evidence uploads, and created summary reports. For root cause and risk assessment, we use design fishbone diagrams and follow the SOD method with color coded risk charts. Can you move to the fourth slide?
A second.
Mati, can you move to the next slide?
Yes. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Huh. Yeah, now we use CAPA and cost tracking by taking action tracking with deadlines and cost details linked to incidents. And here in reports and visualizations, we use Plotly for bar, pie charts, and trend charts. Filters helped sort data by ID or risk. In file and data management, we organize uploads in folder and use Excel for store incident data. And here in last final testing, we tested everything thoroughly, optimized scores using pandas, and added logging features. That covers the main part of the system. Thank you for listening, and I'm happy to answer any questions.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Mohati, and I'll be walking you through the incident management website which we have made. So this is the website which we have made called EHS Management System. So here we have an introduction to our team.
Go ahead. Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay. So here first we will log in to our system. So this is the incident management system. First, we will see the incident management, and then we'll move forward to the aspect impact management. So here we have 7 tabs: create, approve, injury, investigation, root cause, CAPA, costing, closure, and report. So first we will look at the, first we will create an incident. So this platform is designed to streamline your safety processes from logging incidents to generating final reports, ensuring compliance and improve workplace safety. So when you first log in, you will be greeted by the main dashboard, which is this. It is going to provide you a quick overview of the incident information. So I have a sample information with me right now. I'll just fill that up. So company name, for example, I'll choose Glenmark Life Sciences. Department name, manufacturing, where the incident occurred. So incident number, I'll be putting this. Incident location is reactor room. Incident type, so we can choose among these incident types. So I'll choose injury as my incident type. Number of persons involved, I can write how many number of persons were injured in the process. The timing at which the incident occurred. Here we can choose from 3 options: morning, afternoon, and night. So I'll choose morning. So now I'll write the description of the incident happened. So for example, a fire broke out due to solvent leak. Which caused burns to 1 worker. Incident day will be, for example, June 15. And I'll submit the information in the create tab, and I'll move forward for approving.
I think your date is
I'll select the number. Sorry, sir.
Date of incident. Okay. Okay, go ahead.
I've added June 15. Okay.
Go ahead.
Now the approver will check this and approve the incident. Next, we have an injury tab where we can write the employee code. So for example, GLN12, employee name Mahati, for example. Incident number. So there is injury. So there are options like if injury has happened, then you can just choose yes. If it is not, then you can choose no. Injury status. So it is a major injury, so we'll choose major. Next, we have injury information.
Are you there?
So here I have some sample images. I'll just upload that. You can also upload the FIR document if I have any. So all these images and all this information is going to get saved in an Excel file. I'm going to save the injury information and I will move forward with the investigation. So I'll choose my incident number, and investigation subject would be fire incident in reactor room. investigation description, investigating the cause of the fire, the reactor room. And I'll save the investigation. The root cause. So I can have here two types of root causes. The one is internal and the another is external. So for internal, I can add here people factors, process factors, equipment factors, environmental factors. And after saving the root causes, all the root cause, I'm going to get a fishbone analysis diagram. And for the external root causes, I can add the external factors which have caused the incident, the regulatory factors, the third party factors, and the natural factors. So for this example, I will go with the internal root cause. So in people, I'll add lack of training. I can add as many factors as I want. In process factor, I'll add improper process checks. In the equipment factors, I will add faulty wiring. And the environmental factors, poor ventilation. And here I'll get a fishbone analysis diagram. And I can save this diagram. Moving forward to corrective action and preventive action. So I'll write the incident number. This is the corrective action number. Priority would be, I can choose from high, medium to low. So I'll choose medium. Owner ID, I can write GLM 12. Start date from June 15 and end date maybe June 20. So the status for now is open. I can add email IDs of owner and implementer. Example, marty@gmail.com. Proposed corrective action. We will write review and update safety protocols for solvent handling. Implemented corrective action, solvent transfer procedure, and electric wiring inspection. So implementer info means who is the implementer. For example, I'll write Nida's name over here, Nida, and her ID, GLN13. So we can write our comments over here, the proposed action, who is going to implement it. Meeting documentation, if the minutes of meeting, I have any documentation, in this case, I can add it. For example, I'll upload this file over here and I'll submit it. Coming to the costing, so I can upload the costs over here. For example, medical bills costed me 10,000. Compensation costed me 2,000. Machine downtime cost me 4,000. Damages cost me 60,000. I can just add it. And I can also upload any files if I have, any medical bills if I have. So I have, for example, I have a medical bill over here. I will upload it. And similarly, I can upload all the files and I'll save it. So a total of this is the total cost of the incident which has occurred. For closure of the incident, I'll choose the date. Example, June 20. Comments, incident resolved. You can submit the closure. And this is the final report which we get. I will enter my incident number over here. And if I want to edit anything from the previous parts, I can edit it. So this is the whole report of the incident. All the reports are here. This is the section for editing any information. Also, I have some visualizations over here. So this is a diagram which says total incidents by type. So there are 36% of injury happened. There are 22.7 cases of fire incidents. There are 9% of security incidents happened. And this diagram shows us the incidents by severity, how many minor cases have took place, how many major cases were there. And the last, this one is the incident trends over time, which shows us the number of incidents which took place according to the month. For example, April, there were more than 14 cases. In May, it lowered to 3, and in June, it were only 4 cases. This is the cost breakdown analysis. So, for example, compensation cost me over 305K. The damages took 210K. These are the costing. So I have just divided it, how many bills we need to pay, like what has costed me. So this was the incident management system. Moving forward, we will see aspect impact management. So here there are 5 tabs. So the first one is the activity tab. So here again, I'll write
1 minute,
Glenmark.
Aarti.
Yes, sir.
Before you go to the another topic, would you like to take questions, or you will complete everything and ask for the questions?
Complete this aspect ratio, then you can go for question answers.
Okay, thank you.
Glenmark Life Science. Incident number, incident location, reported by, incident type is injury, reported my ID, incident date was June 15, reported by department manufacturing, incident description, same, fire broke out in reactor room. Here also we can upload if any evidence I have. So for example, I'll just upload this one picture and I'll save the activity information here in the aspect impact. So here I have identification of relevant aspects. So for human factors, I can write that there was lapse in attention, or there was lack in safety training, For equipment and material factors, I can write that there were faulty electric wiring. In procedural factors, I can add that there were inadequate inspection of procedures. Adequate. If there are any environmental factors, we can write poor ventilation. Example. All these things we can fill. Like for example, organization factors could be lack of regular maintenance. And just fill up all the data. Here the impact evaluation, how this has impacted in the safety from the safety perspective, we can say that it has injured one person, one worker. Financially, how it has impacted. So we have to spend the cost related to equipment repairs. What cause it has caused to environment. So basically no environmental cause. You can just fill up all these things. Operations, temporary shutdown of reactor room. And I can save this aspect and impact analysis. This is the scorecard where we have three factors: severity, occurrence, and detection. So I can score severity. For example, it was of moderate impact, then I can score severity for 5 as 5. Occurrence, I'll score it 5, and for detection, I'll score it 8. So if I save this, we can see that it is a high risk level. And how this has been calculated, this is the formula: risk priority number, everything gets multiplied, severity, occurrence, and detection. I'll save the scorecard. And moving forward to corrective and preventive action. So actions taken, that is and repair faulty wiring, reactor room. So the due date should be, for example, it can be 20 June. There are types of verification approach. So for example, we will select inspection. This would be assigned to NIDA. And what are the lessons learned from this incident? So I can write that we need to conduct more frequent safety training for workers. And I'll add the action. Now, this is the final report where I can see the whole report along with the evidence photos. So these are the aspects. These are the impacts. This is the risk level, the corrective and preventive actions, the lessons learned, and also here, this is the summary report, which shows that 15 total assessments were taken place. One of the action is open and one high risk incident. So there are all high risk incidents. And similarly, we can generate reports for all the other incidents as well. So this is it. Now I'm open to questions.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Sachin.
Yes, yes. So before I go ahead with questions, and let me ask our other friends, anybody has got any questions or comments? You can unscreen so that you can see the people.
Okay, sir.
Nice, nice.
Ashokji,
Yes, go ahead, Jitsa.
I don't have any question, but I would like to say that it was extremely impressive presentation of the demo that this young lady presented to all of us. In my long history of working with various industries in the United Kingdom and also in the oil companies in the Middle East, I found valuable, and I would appreciate if this group of people who are presenting their learning potential, that we found that systematically all what was shown by this young lady used to be followed, but in the olden days, during my days, when I was active, it was all paperwork and it was all voluminous and very complex and very difficult to follow the pattern that you would like to analyze. This young lady demonstrated everything is digitalized and easy to record, and the record keeping became so easy. And our Makbul Saab will agree that this technology has really done wonder in determining the root causes and thereafter the conclusions drawn from them to make recommendations. And I just would like to mention to them that in my personal experience, we found that many times the people used to just do tick mark. And that tick mark really means that we completed item so-and-so recommended by the investigation committee so-and-so. But in reality, they were just tick marks. So we had developed a small committee. If it was something like minor or moderate incidents categorized, then internal committee made up of experts. They go out into the field and verify what the claim was were made. And if it was the major incident, we used to have the external third-party involvement in verification of all corrective actions taken. And I think that paid value because we know every now and again major disasters occur, whether it is in China port or Iran or even in India, LG, polymer, and so on and so forth. Why do they happen? If we have taken good corrective actions and recommendations have been followed, that there is still something lacking. And this kind of verification can help to ensure that the correct lessons we have learned. But with that, I go back to my first statement, extremely impressive presentation and a very, very up-to-date so far information that I learned from you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Jitsa.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good evening, Ashok sir.
Good evening, Makbul ji. Boliye.
Ji sir. First of all, I would like to thank the team of EHS or SHE or HSC. They have done perfect web design, backend using Python and all everything. Really, it was good. But still, 2, 3 points are there. We required either it is required to update. It depends on the situation on them. So I would like first point is the date. While we are entering the incident date, it should be at least 1 month back. Means it should not go even one day forward. Hello,
Makbul, can you explain that, Makbul?
sir. My voice is clear, sir.
Oh,
Yeah,
very much clear,
please.
very much clear. Yes.
Yeah, the incident date, what she has mentioned, it was June. Means after 1 month, the incident going to happen.
I think June 24 she has chosen or June 25. I'm not sure.
June,
Yes,
actually,
sir. I have
okay.
chose
They went
June
almost
20. Yeah,
June
it was
25.
just for example, because at last you saw one diagram, right? I just
Hmm.
wanted the graph to change. That's why I chose the future date, but I just chose it for example.
Okay.
No,
No.
while because this
as example, just shown that.
this EHS system will be launched openly, publicly, or only internal company?
No, this
First,
is
I would
a
like to know.
project work,
Makbul ji would,
Makbul bhai. This is a engineering
Yeah.
students project work.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because the date was 2024, right, sir? Not 25.
No, she has chosen advanced date. That's what she is telling now. Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Because system should not accept advance incident date, sir.
Hmm.
Because if you know everything, you can stop the incident. Okay.
Yeah,
So
understood. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, good point. No, I want to know, make a note of, team, make note of this one. You should not accept advance dates.
yes, yes. So
Okay.
they can keep in the coding. They can stop it.
Yeah.
It can
Yeah,
be done.
exactly. Thanks for
Okay.
the valuable point.
And the second, I think Bala sir is trying to tell something. Yes, Bala sir.
He's talking to someone probably. Go ahead.
Okay, sir. And the second thing is, while we are filling the incident details in different tabs, every time we are entering the description, date, type of incident, if in the first tab, if we have filled everything, automatically it should come there. They can do using this Python code.
Very good. Good point. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sure.
Because if I use the incident number in page one different, I forget again. I need to go. If it can be stopped, it can be auto updated in all tabs.
Got it. Got it. Yes.
Yes, sir. We'll surely consider it, sir.
Yes, sir. And the last thing is if we follow the OSHA, there they have mentioned clearly if the incident happened, like we will calculate the man hour or manpower or something else. Even it is a kilometer, how many type of incident, head injuries, or frequency ratios. It could be little advantage to adding in the last below in the graph.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And the report, incident report, which we are sharing lesson learns to the internal company, it should generate a flyer. Okay, this incident happened due to this. The flyer much should be automatically sent to the concerned departments. It will be a good communication to the internal.
What
Yeah,
mission?
Makbul ji, they are not completely present, still there. Those things are considered future development.
No, sir. I'm not telling that it could be advantage. That's all I'm telling,
It
sir.
is, yeah,
It was
got your
really
point,
good.
yeah.
They have done perfect job. I agree. They have done perfect. Just it
And
will
one
be
more thing
advantage.
is, Makbul ji, I want to add a point here. One more thing is, this student doesn't have any kind of idea about incidences.
Exactly. Exactly. They have done a real good job. Yes. Absolutely.
Yes, sir. They've done really. We appreciate, sir. This one. This was very good, very nice. Only this one, sir.
Thank you, Makbul bhai.
And thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, thank you. Vishal ji, anything you want to ask something, Vishal ji?
Okay.
Vishal ji?
Yeah. Let me welcome our other friends who joined just now, Mr. Professor Ramana He's our
Oh,
chair for the student and student mentoring and scholarship. And Mr. Prabish is our chair for the digital tools and innovation. Mr. Bala is our chair for the awards and honors. So, if you have any other comments, please raise your hand. Otherwise, I would like to share my comments as well.
Yeah, can I share, Ashokji?
Yeah, please go
yeah,
ahead.
yeah.
Yes, yes.
A great efforts that the lady's name
Mahati.
Mahati, right?
Mahati
Yeah,
and
students are
team.
there.
Mahati and
Five
team.
other students are there. Five students are
Yes.
there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Please.
yeah, very nice. In fact, at this point of time, having that knowledge and awareness about what the students have achieved, like Jitu Saab said, the putting those thoughts into the electronic way, capturing the data and analyzing the data is absolutely fantastic. There are not much comments. I think at this point of time, what
Yes.
they understood is absolutely good. And the only point that I want to say that when you mentioned high risk, so you define what is high risk. You can integrate. Maybe I joined late, whether you covered it or not, I have not seen it. So you can interlink with the organization's risk matrix, which clearly defines yes where this risk is posed, so that you can quantitatively define that.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, Bala.
Thank you, Bala.
Anything else?
Yeah, maybe I would just like to add a point over here. So I think Mahati, you have done a very wonderful job of creating a Python program for collating the entire incident happenings, and you have also taken up the SOD for calculating the risk. And I think what we were doing earlier is only a register, and then we migrated to an Excel sheet. I think having a software and taking up everything electronically is a very good part of it. So I was just thinking whether we'll be able to get this kind of a software with us.
Yes, sure, sir. We can deploy the software.
Okay, Mahati. So thank you very much. It's a wonderful initiative what you have done. Being an engineering student, capturing the safety and safety, health, and environment things is really good. All the best for you and all your colleagues also. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. And
Hello.
yes, go ahead.
Yeah, Pravishya.
Yes,
Sorry,
please.
I was late. Actually, I couldn't able to watch the presentation, but by the talking, I understood that this is basically a software for incident management. I just only want to tell that once you are deploying, make sure that your SSL everything is right one. Otherwise, it will be having lot of bugs from other sides. So once you are deploying, you told that you will be deploying that, but make sure that all the SSLs, securities, everything is right, and even the server what you are going to post, that should be also good. Otherwise, with the particular network and everything, it will not work normally when you are doing a pilot project also in some companies. That's it. Thank you very much, and all the best.
Thank you, Prabish. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Your guidance is highly appreciated.
Sorry to disturb, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, we are having our HOD from our college, Guru Nanak Dev Engineering, Dr. Dhananjay. I would like to introduce him.
Very good.
Yeah,
Welcome,
Dr. Jananji.
welcome, Dr. Dayanand, and your students are doing a great job, and we are just giving our feedback to them for further, enhancement and other things. So, would you like to speak, or maybe you can speak after everybody's comments are over? Okay, NCG. First, I would like to congratulate all the students who have presented. And I work for Kuwait Oil Company. We have a similar system, and I can confidently say that your database or whatever you call it is almost meeting 60% of the our full-fledged system which we have been using in our company. So congratulations to you. And of course, there are always improvements are there. It is a student's project, so that means at this stage itself, you are meeting the 60% of the multinational companies database. Means that's a big congratulations and kudos to you. And I just want to share some of my views that when Mr. Rohan Thanga presented, he talked about SOD. Actually, when you are presenting to the people, don't expect that everybody knows those terminologies, because in our part of the world we don't use that terminology. So please try to expand the terminologies which are you are using. And when Mahati explained, she chose the timeline 6 to 9, or I mean 6 to 12, or 3 shifts she have chosen. When you are
Yes, sir.
reporting incident, it's very, very, very important that you should choose the exact time, because when we are investigating
Oh,
whether ambulance reached on time, after how many hours ambulance reached, those are all the things comes up when you are doing the investigation. Because we have to, once the incident comes, when they report to emergency, immediately ambulance or fire station should come. If you choose a timeline of incident from 9 to 2, you will not know when the incident happened. So those things you need to have a provision for exact timing, exact time of the reporting, including the minutes, and so that's very important. And I don't know, you have shown the drop down of the different types of incidents. I'm not sure whether asset damage is there in that, because in the industry there is a personal injuries, fire, environmental spills, and asset damage, equipment damage also we consider as an incident. If it is not there, you need to consider that. And
okay.
you are also entering the incident ID manually. It should be a system generated. I don't know whether that
Mhm.
it's system generated or you entered manually, but that should be the system generated. Whenever whoever, because the industries are wide, somebody reports from the manufacturing, somebody reports from the maintenance. So all those incidents have to be captured by the automatic IDs, incident ID. And
Yes, sir.
yeah, internal and external risk assessment, something like that you mentioned. Maybe that also has to be more elaborated. And then we have a costing of the incident is a very good idea. In fact, we do not have that in our system. Costing of incident you consider is a very, very nice idea. You consider as a medical bills, as well as the equipment damages, and the employee turnover. I'm not sure whether it is there or no, because one employee is injured, you have to provide additional employee. That cost also has to be considered. This is a very good initiative to include the costing of the incident. Actually, you mentioned costing. I was thinking that costing for the rectification. So maybe you can title that properly. And what else I have written? Lessons learned also can be lessons learned from the incident. Also, maybe you can elaborate little on that. So those are the things I made a note. But in a nutshell, congratulations to you all. Wonderful job done, and we look forward for your final outcome of the outcome of the database or software, whatever you call it. And you can also in this part of the world we call it as a HSC. In India people call HSC as well as EHS. So you can accordingly title the your project also. Congratulations to you.
Yeah. Yeah, Dr. Dayan, see?
Dr. Dayanand may be on the mute. So, Jitu Sab, would you like to say anything? Go ahead, Jitu Sab.
Very well done. And one thing I would like to see, if it is viable for the students to consider, is many years ago, the actual fatality was 7 people died, and all of the related injury cost and ambulatory cost and all other things. The actual damage to the plant was $450 million, and the replacement cost was $850 million. But during the 3 months production loss, which was $1.5 billion, this is about 40 years ago. So that production loss is also should be considered in this form that you presented me. And you will be surprised how much loss occurs when you consider this kind of I saw that in that format you had man-hour loss, but I think the production loss should be when the plant is upset or damaged is one another factor that you can consider including into it. And I just would like to show, can you show this little photograph on the left-hand side from me?
Yes, visible, sir.
Is it visible?
Yeah, it's visible. Yes. Yeah.
The man,
Yes,
the white man is Mr. Frank Bird, who taught us all the pyramid, the so many near misses or close calls, so many minor incidents result into moderate, and then eventually the top of the iceberg, which is the fatal or the significant damage to your asset. So this is the man who really gave us that pyramid. And we invited him while I was actually in charge of Aramco's health, safety, environment. And you can see me almost 50 years ago, and I and he worked together to compare pyramid regarding Saudi Aramco, now in those days Aramco, Arabian American Oil Company. So point here is that this lady who made the presentation, it is significant improvement in collecting, because this man had collected thousands of incidents and paper-wise going through almost like a warehouse. 30, 40 people were just segmenting, categorizing, and then he came up with this pyramid. So I'm just sharing with you that now you have advanced and utilized the technology, and it becomes much more easier to determine and categorize which way our trend is. Thank you, Ashokji.
Thank you, NCG. I think congratulations to all the students and all the best.
Ashokji, there are some few more slides to show actually. Can you please continue that one? Vanti?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Quickly browse it now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, who will take care next one?
I would like to call Mariam for the next
Mariam?
slide.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Today, I'll be presenting the challenges and the solutions and achievements of the EHS incident management system that we built during our internship. We faced a few key challenges while building the system. So first one is managing data without databases. So basically, we didn't use a traditional database like MySQL or MongoDB. All our data was stored in Excel sheets. That made it a little difficult for us to manage large amount of data. And the second, file handling in a Streamlit app. We had to handle file uploads in Streamlit, like injury photos, fire documents, and cost receipts. Streamlit isn't built for heavy file handling, so organizing and linking each file to the correct incident required proper planning. And the third challenge that we faced during the making of this project was session and role-based access. We wanted a secure login system. Some users needed permissions to edit data, while others could only view. Since we didn't have a backend or database, creating this kind of role-based access using Excel was a little bit challenging for us. Lastly, real-time charts and trend analysis. We wanted real-time charts and data trends, so making the charts update instantly based on filters or new data was a bit tricky for us. So the solutions that we did was to overcome these challenges. We applied simple but effective solutions. Some of them are, we used Excel plus Pandas as a replacement for a database. And for the second, we organized the uploaded files into folders like injury photos,
FIR documents, and cost bills. We designed and upload directories for each document type. And the third solution that we found was added login systems using login data. And the fourth one is integrated Plotly with dynamic filtering. And most importantly, we created a working base that can be expanded further with real databases, cloud deployment, or even mobile support in the future. Can we move to the second slide, Madhi?
Yes.
So in the end, we were able to build a complete incident management system from scratch using Python and Streamlit. Make incident reporting fully digital and easy to use. It enabled us to structure incident logging and analytics. Third, positive feedback from internship mentors and peers. It includes all key features like injury reports, investigations, risk assessments, and cost tracking, and real-time insights into safety incidents, risks, and costs. And lastly, laid foundation for integration into real-world EHS platform. Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you.
Yeah. I would like Shiva to tell everyone about the future scope of the project.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening. Good evening. Go ahead, Shiva.
Sir, now we will go through the features of this. Feature scope is now we are using Excel sheet for database.
Okay.
We're not able to get you, Shiva. Little louder, please.
Okay, sir. For this, we can improve this EHS incident management system by switching Excel to an SQL database by better data handling.
Great. Excellent, Shiva. Next.
Yes.
We are also getting notifications for updates about this, and it's make an mobile app responsive, flexible for mobile users, and also you can retrieve the data by download the PDF.
Okay.
Yes.
These upgrades will make the system more accessible and efficient for users. So then go through the conclusion. This EHS incident management dashboard is a simple and organized tool for reporting and analyzing for incidents. It adds great value by creating safer and complement environment for organizations. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Shiva.
Thank you.
I think we are eager to hear from Dr. Dayanand. I think he's not able to.
No, he joined again. So, but yes, Dayanand ji, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Sir, good evening. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening, sir. How are you?
Yes, sir. I'm fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Good, good, good. And your students have done a wonderful job today.
Is it, sir? Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for providing them the wonderful opportunity to do their real-time internship in your organization.
Thank you.
And we can definitely think for the future association with you, wherein I can able to send again the few more students to your organization. Because even when I discussed with Mahati, Sidra, and all, so they were all very happy, and even I was watching the way they were been presenting it. I felt very happy, sir. Like
very nice. Yes.
Congratulations to you, sir. Congratulations for providing this wonderful opportunity to our students, sir. So,
Right.
what will be the next state of action, sir, from your side? Will there be any placement assistance for them, or how is it, sir? How can you
We'll
help
discuss
them?
later, Andy. We'll discuss later.
No problem, sir.
This
No
is not time
problem,
for
sir.
that. We can
Okay, sir.
discuss later. Okay.
Yeah.
These guys from
Okay.
outside of India.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. No problem. Right, sir.
Sure.
Thank you very
Yeah.
much, sir.
Thank
Yeah,
you,
thank you.
Dayanandji. Thank you so much. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, sir.
Okay, team. It's a great, effort from your side, and you have done good thing. And I got a appreciation from the people from industry. And thank you very much for Ashokji and Jitu and the other people who taken time for this one. Can I request Ramana to say something? Ramana Ji garu.
Professor
Yes, Ramana
Ramana.
garu.
I think he is not able to see it. NCG, as you requested, I think we can also give a certificate of appreciation from our foundation. So
Please.
we can do that, and on the title and other thing, we'll design a certificate, and we'll work together with you.
I wholeheartedly agree with you and support you there.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
And all the students, congratulations and best wishes for your future. And if you are not yet joined in our WhatsApp group, we have a HSC WhatsApp group, and you can also join in the group so that you will get a lot of updates related to the EHS and other several programs. So you can get that WhatsApp group link from Mr. NCG, and we look forward for your active participation. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. On behalf of the whole team, I would like to thank all the experts here. Your feedback was really valuable, and we will definitely consider all the changes, all the insights which you have provided. We will try to improve our project even more. These were collective efforts of our whole team, and we are really grateful that we were able to present it in front of you.
Thank you so much. Have a nice
Thank you.
1 second. Can you
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
1 minute.
Can you take a photo of this?
You want to take a screenshot?
Cameras.
Can you open your cameras so that we can have a screenshot?
Everyone.
Shiva.
Students, especially you people.
Shiva is there. Professor Ramana, Mariam.
Yes, sir.
Oh my goodness, how young and lovely all of you are.
Mariam.
And
yes, sir.
Dr. Dayanand. Yes. Tirumala Shetty.
Yes, I'm here.
Can you open your camera?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Professor Ramana. Yes. Nice. Everybody's, as Jeetu said, everybody's young. Mr. Dr. Dayanand, I'm not sure whether you are there. Before everybody goes, let me take a screenshot.
Even we
Yes,
are
sir. I'm
also
here,
young, sir.
Yes, sir. I'm here,
Get
sir.
the blessings from Professor Ramanaji. He is our mentor, guru, and the best. And he has really mentored, trained so many students all over the nation.
Thank you. Have a nice time. Wonderful. Good night.
Good night, everyone.
Good night.
Bye.
Good night.
Good night. Good night to all.
Good night, sir. Good night.
Wherever you are, be safe.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let me capture this before it goes. NCG?
Thank you, NCG. It was a wonderful session.
Jits up.
Haji.
Thank you, and we'll catch up. Yep.
Okay. So can we?
Everybody left. They're not going, so I have to remove them.
Ashok, one thing I share, although most of the time I don't understand because of the hearing problem, but I could see what was the young lady was presenting. These students are very smart.
Absolutely right.
Very, very smart. In fact, they can teach BCSP, and I'm not just laughingly or jokingly saying that these kids have a lot to offer.
Yes, absolutely right. Yes.
You and I became whatever we become from more like banging our heads and utilizing the old-fashioned fundamentals. These kids are up to date in the technology and so many other ways, including linguistic and their presentation skills also.
Good.
Ashokji, so are we going to decide? Madhuji is not with us, so let us decide. Do you wish Ruma to be in June or July?
Let's keep it in June itself, Jit Saab, because the NCG has not come forward.
Say it again.
Let's keep on June 25.
June
25. 25 June.
Yeah, June 25, but date
is Wednesday. Yeah. Wednesday.
I have it here, calendar. So I can make June 18.
June 18, or let's make it 25.
June 25, I have doctor's appointment almost same time.
Okay, in that case, let's see my calendar. Yeah, June 18 is okay.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So I will send Ruma text message and speak with her saying instead of July, 1 month earlier for you, so that if there are any customer for you, you can start making a clientele portfolio.
Okay, Jit.
Okay, Ashokji, take care.
Bye-bye. Namaskar.
And Mother's Day is wishes to Anitaji.
Thank you so much. Sure.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Pannaji, same to Pannaji.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you.